We're here at the Hot Wheels Pizza. Me and my friend is here to claim the pizza that I won. Yes, friends, I won 3 pizzas. Not just 1, but 3 large pizzas. And we ordered vegetarian, the capricciosa, and the pepperoni. Vegetarian is for me. Capricciosa and pepperoni are for my friends. Yes, friends, and we're here already waiting for the pizza. Hi, my name is Sandra and you're watching Micro Moments. For today's video, ako at ang friend kong si Chris ay mag-claim ng napanalunan kong pizza. 3 pizza. I-claim namin dyan mamaya. Tingnan nyo friends kung gaano kaganda ang weather para lang summertime. Dito friends, dito ako nanalo ng pizza. Ang pangalan ay Pizza Hot Wheels. Ayan friends, andito pa din kami ni Chris. Nag-claim na kami ng pizza. Punta ka dito. Ay, na-claim na.
Friend, may sponsor na naman.
I-claim namin, nag-wait na lang kami ng pizza. Really smells good now, friends, and we're looking forward to eat the pizza. Yeah. The name of the store is Hot Wheels Pizza, and you can check out their website at hotwheelspizza.no. Check out their menu. For the vegetarian, it has tomato sauce, mozzarella, and the vegetables.
Congratulations. Of course, I'm looking forward to eat pizza. Especially capricciosa. It's the first time to test.
You pointed out.
I'm looking forward to test this kind of pizza because this is the first time this flavor, but I don't know the best.
Okay, so you're really, yeah. Me too. I'm looking forward to taste the vegetarian one because not all vegetarian pizza are the same, isn't it?
No, it's not the same.
And they are busy cooking for yeah, cooking for our pizza. What is it that we need?
I hope the pizza wheels
Yeah.
has
Why you need that one?
to carry.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah.
I hope they will provide one.
Very sorry, it's 3 pizzas, they're very hot, you know, when you take it something like this, they can falling down. And
Oh yeah.
You should take it by the hands.
Okay.
We can't have bags.
Yeah.
It's not a gift bags.
Okay.
And you get the safe, you know, every time.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you very much. I want to say thank you. Is it okay that I include you in my vlog?
Yes, yes.
I want to say thank you very much to you. Thank you. Hot Wheels pizza for the 3 large pizzas. Dito lang ko sa Pikas na Bayan. We're going up, up, and away. There.
Pila na ka steps?
I don't know. You can count.
Kaya kung samayan din ikaw.
Ayoko na yung pizza kay basin nagtakilid.
Ito sabaw.
Ningkaon nila na nandito nagtakilid na.
Ang mga toppings doon.
Ano to one side. Nice na dress, oh. Sa ko na nisugod ng saka akong sanina sa.
Ay, kala may ulo.
Masag dila mo, punod na. Yeah, you can start counting. Yeah. You have to include this one as well. Say hi to your lolo Henrik Ebsen first.
Ning akong lolo. Hi, lolo. How are you?
Posing.
Oh, 35 na ha.
35. Including this one?
Oh,
Okay.
ugwahan nga ka.
Siyempre, fint. Model, Chris, model. Ay. Marami sa Tagsakag Mountain, ani. Model of the pizza. Hindi ba yan yung library? Straight? Nay.
Hindi pa, tapos dito, una pa.
Yeah.
Wah, inong ko 95. 100.
Almost there. Napit sa sandali. Ang hirap pala ng life na maging tindera ng pizza, friend. Naglala ko ng pizza. Umakyat ako dyan ng karami-daming stairs. At meron bang stairs doon?
How many stores?
I don't know. You're the one who counted.
Over 100, I think. If I cannot, I can't for if I'm not wrong, 120 until here.
Until here. Then there
Yes.
are lots of steps going up. So
Yeah,
you think it's almost
What?
200?
I think 150.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
We will check it out later.
Mm.
I won 3 pizzas.
Oh! OMG! Paano mo nakuha yan, Sandra?
I won.
Ha?
I won.
I won? You
Yeah.
won?
Yeah.
You won?
One
How did you won? How did you won?
Raffle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Next time, pag-ingon para sali kami.
Pero nasali ka naman kumain. Kasali ka naman kumain.
Tapos kami naman mag-ano,
One.
spandere.
Please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and bell buttons.